Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we introduce today my new Android app Metal Bend Analyzer. In this app, you can get the bend along, bend deduction, and development flat length value of your bending parts. I make this app is very easy and simple way. So this development is matched to your SolidWorks sheet metal software also. So let's start. Bend develop length analyzer. You can select here bending profile. I added some profiles here. If you have any custom drawing, so you can select any one drawing. Suppose I select this U bend. Then go next. Okay, this is bend properties window. You can select here material. I added here material for few materials, so aluminum, mild steel and stainless steel. I select mild steel. Then you can select your bend thickness, material thickness. I select here 5 mm, and then you can type here K factor value. As you know, the K factor value is very different material to material. Also soft material, hard material, open angle and close angle as well. So you can type, you can analyze your K factor as yourself. Then you select here number of bends in your bending drawing. Suppose I select here 2 or 3, or it is maximum limit is 9 bends. Okay, so I select here 2 bends. Read this all information, important notes here. Then go click on next button. Okay, then open the new window for typing length, angle and radius value. So here you can find a ABC, then AD, RA, RE. Suppose I select back, I put here 9 bends. So you can find here multiple edit text values here. So you can find here information as well. So where it is A, where it is B, where it is C, it is all dimensions here, and where it is to dimension taken, outer dimension, this A, B, this A, this C, A, B. Okay, this is your information. So I select just test purpose here 2, then click number of bend 2 and click next. So I put here A value. A means length 100 mm. I put here angle 90 mm. Radius is also maybe 5 mm. Then I put 120 mm length. Then angle maybe 115 degree, and radius is suppose I put 10 mm. So C value is maybe 60. Click and then you can calculate here. So first check information. This is all information: A value, B value, C value, angle A, angle B. Okay, see A value is taken here in 3 pictures. Okay, then go to calculate. That's it. This is your bend allowance, this is your bend deduction in mm, and this is unfolding flat length, development length of this one. Thank you for watching this video.